Gold against US dollar has dropped in value this week, where we can see that the week has started from this price level and it has formed this bearish candle and reached 1979, which is 1980 support level. From there we can see that the price has formed, just a minute, has formed this bearish pin bar, but on the support price level, which was not a great signal, so also did not trigger the sell-off below this one. So after that, on Wednesday, we can see the market has reacted for some reason, and there is a strong bullish candle, which is also an engulfing bullish candle that has encompassed these two candles completely, and it has closed above 2016 resistance level, which then are now acting as a support. We can see that the price has formed also this bullish candle reaching 2048, and from there the price retraced down, so this bullish breakout with this Wednesday candle has been confirmed. If we take a look on the weekly, we can see after this strong bearish weekly candle that has dropped from the very strong resistance level here, the price has bounced from 1980 support and has returned back up. Currently it is about 2016. Now if we take a look on the monthly time frame, after the bullish breakout has happened on the monthly time frame, the price has currently returned back down, confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one, but we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends. So in order that this month has been confirmed as a valid one, we need to see this month ending above 1990 in order to verify this monthly bullish breakout as a valid one. For now it is, but we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends, so we need to wait what happens. So to see how the price will behave between 1980 and 2072 this month for the next 2.5 weeks, we need to go into weekly time frame and also a daily time frame. What we can see here is after the price has made a bearish here momentum and also a break to the downside, we can see that the price is returning back up for this week. So it's very important to see the price above 2016 in order to see the price attacking again 2072 price level. If the price returns back down below 2016, and we can see very important level for the weekly time frame is 2003 and also 2001. If the price returns back down and closes the weekly candle below that, this will mean that the bears will attack again and try to lower the price on the lower price levels, and that is below 1980 and also around that. If we go to the daily, we will see much more clearly how this looks. So 1980 is very important level for the weekly time frame, but also very important level is this one 2016. We can see that this price level 2004 and also 2003 is very important on the weekly time frame, so the price needs to hold on the weekly time frame above this one in order to be still in the bullish mode. So for now, as it looks, we have a validated bullish breakout here about 2016, so I'm expecting to see the price on the higher price levels, except something happens again like this one bullish candle that has overtook several candles before that. So for now, I will share also my entry idea with the stop loss and the take profit for the next week inside the trading community, which I am also having on the Get No Trading website. The link is inside below this video, inside the description. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.